Today is a two-part video. Part one is swapping out or adjusting the top connection on my quick hitch on my TYM T474. I'm adding an adapter, the top link adapter, and taking the top hook off. The implement that I'm hooking up today, or adjusting rather, is my 7-ton chisel plow. I have got to take the center plow out so I can cultivate my corn. In a couple of weeks I'll need to get to my field and cultivate that corn that I planted, and it's also coming up. I made a video about that earlier today. So I have to take the center tine out in order to not mess with the corn. It's just too tight of a tolerance. So my chisel plow is a category 2 implement, and my quick hitch is a category 1. So the top hook on my quick hitch will not reach high enough to hook onto the top connection on the chisel plow. So my quick hitch came with a top link adapter, so it basically uses the top link pin, but you have to take it all apart because the pin goes through everything, including the adapter. So that's the first part of this video. I had to readjust it. I'm not even sure if I edited that part out yet. It's been a long day, but I got the adapter on there and then hooked up the chisel plow. Ran into just a little bit of trouble getting that center chisel plow tine out, but finally got it out of there. Anyway, this is a fairly short video. Thought I'd throw one together instead of just being outside working on it all by myself. I decided to share with you. Enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. We have lots of outdoor activities and all kinds of variety of things. It's springtime. There's going to be lots of stuff happening. Thanks again, and take care.
water.